Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add apps to your home screen on your Google Pixel. So this is easy to do. Just find an open space somewhere on your home screen and hold down on it. And we can go to App List. When you open up your app list, you can just find the app and you can just hold down on it. There is an option to add to home screen right here. You can just press it and it'll add it to your current page that you're on. And then you can just hold down on it and move it to whatever screen you want from there. So I don't know what this is a clock, and then I can just drag it to the top to remove it. Now we can also just drag down on it. So if we want to make like a contact, we can just go to a contact's name and then just go to add contact right here. So let's just go to this person's name right here. And you can see I added this contact to my home screen. So I can just press it to call someone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.